What if your phone buzzed with a commission notification while you were sleeping, eating dinner, or watching TV? Not because you were working, but because a video you made 3 weeks ago is still sending people to a link and they're buying. That's affiliate marketing. And when you combine it with AI tools that create the content for you, it becomes one of the most powerful income systems a creator can build. I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up from scratch. The tools, the links, the strategy, and the numbers. Welcome to the AI Lab Report. I'm Jeremy. This channel is about using AI to build real income streams, and affiliate marketing is one of the first ones I activated. By video 1, I had affiliate links live. By video 3, I had earned my first commission. And the system I'm going to show you today is exactly what I use. Nothing theoretical, all real. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product, someone buys it through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no customer service, no product to build. The traditional problem with affiliate marketing is content. You need videos, blog posts, social media, and that takes time. That's where AI changes everything. With AI tools like HeyGen for video creation, AILabs for voice cloning, and Claude for scripting, you can produce affiliate content at a scale that was impossible 2 years ago. One person, one laptop, multiple income streams running simultaneously. This isn't a get-rich-quick system. It's a content compounding system. Every video you publish is an asset that earns while you sleep, for months or years after you make it. Step 1 is picking the right programs. Not all affiliate programs are equal, and the wrong choice wastes your content production time. Here's what I look for. Recurring commissions. Software subscriptions pay every month the customer stays. One referral can pay you for years. High-ticket items. A 30% commission on a $100 product beats a 5% commission on a $20 product every time. And products you actually use. Your audience can tell when you're recommending something you've never touched. The programs I run on this channel right now: HeyGen, AILabs, and vidIQ. All tools I use in every single video. My affiliate links are in every description. Natural recommendations, no awkward sales pitches. For finding programs beyond your current tools, check Commission Junction, Share a Sale, and Impact. Those are the 3 major networks where thousands of brands run their affiliate programs. Here's where it gets powerful. The reason most affiliate marketers fail is they can't produce enough content consistently. AI solves that. Here's the exact system I use. Step 1. Keyword research with vidIQ. Find high-intent tutorial keywords around the tool you're promoting. People searching how to use HeyGen are actively looking to buy or try it. Step 2. Script with Claude. Full production package in minutes. Natural affiliate mentions built into the script. Step 3. Video with HeyGen and AILabs. AI avatar, cloned voice, full video without turning on a camera. Step 4. Upload with vidIQ optimized metadata. Title, description, tags, all SEO optimized before the video goes live. The entire production cycle runs in about 2 hours. I can produce affiliate content for multiple programs in a single session. Where you place affiliate links directly affects how much you earn. Every video description, links go in every description every time. Even if the video isn't specifically about that tool, people always check descriptions. Every video outro, mention your top 1 or 2 affiliate tools at the end of every video. Natural, brief, genuine. Dedicated tutorial videos are the highest converting content I produce. A video specifically teaching people how to use HeyGen converts dramatically higher than a general mention. Tutorial content equals buyer intent audience. Pinned comments. Pin a comment with your top affiliate links on every video. And your email list. Every email should include your primary affiliate links naturally. My kit welcome sequence already includes my top 3 tools. How do you know what's working? Every affiliate program has a dashboard showing clicks and conversions. Check it weekly, not daily. Daily checking creates anxiety. Weekly gives you real data. What to look for? Which videos drive the most clicks? Which tools convert best? Which traffic source sends the most buyers? Once you know what's working, do more of it. If your HeyGen tutorial converts well, make a follow-up. If your 11 Labs video drives clicks, make a Spanish version targeting a second audience. That's the compounding effect. Each piece of content builds on the last. Month 1, you have 3 videos earning. Month 6, you have 40. The income doesn't grow linearly, it accelerates. That's the complete AI affiliate marketing system, from choosing programs to creating content to tracking what works. My affiliate links for every tool I use are in the description. Using them costs you nothing extra and directly supports this channel. Grab my free AI tool stack guide in the description. It covers every tool I use to run this channel, all in one place. Subscribe! Next video is 5 ways to make money with AI tools in 2026. I'll see you there.